when I reached out to her, and we were able to, to call her with some of our family members who they came with. Or actually, I was on my.
Hello people, how na dey my people? Hope so na dey fine. Now do as una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. Really appreciate everyone. My people, una see this video wey dey for us. Una know say this video, I talk about this video where this girl come and say, see wetin happen to her when she dey go party. So the way all these people wey be say they no want Olosho for Edo State again, the way they take harass am, give am gbas, the beating was too much. So the girl come out for social media, say she need justice. Social media good oh, social media just dey look her like that, e good oh. She don get justice oh. I'll put the video where e be say they take talk to Ebo Stone. Now no say na Ebo Stone na dey in charge of all these things for Edo State. So Ebo Stone, as you see the video where we say they fly, they go for social media, they say they contact the girl. So I will put the video for now, make una watch. So the way they take talk to the girl, everything will be okay. People will do that thing, they will make sure say they find them out. So they will pay her hospital bill and all those things, So they'll make sure say she gets her own justice, because wetin dem do was very bad, because not be everybody be Olosho. E no mean say una see somebody wey be say dress one kind and they think say na Olosho, maybe they go where una say may not go, because according to that girl, when she dey explain, they forgive and lis ten ear, let am talk. Even the girl even talk say, if una say na lie, make una call the people, the person wey invite me for party, So I believe say all these people, they'll calm down, because they don't need to they do back. They need to calm down, because anybody fit dress the way they like. And the important thing, not be where una say make they not where una they clean, not be there then go. Where they go they stand put, not be there now for catch this girl, So I'm so happy say this girl, e get justice, wetin she dey find, because the way even me, when I see the face, I was like, wetin be this one na? No be so they take dey do am for other place. Wetin they supposed to dey do? If na multa, that is, you dey give anybody wey be say una see for there, instead of to dey give them gbas. I know say our people no dey hear word o, but the multa is okay. Person wey pay 20,000 today, next tomorrow pay another 20,000. Shebi you go know say no go dey stand for there again, because according to una no want make dem dey stand for there, make dem go find another place, abi. So anybody wanna see for there, instead of una to dey give am gbosgba, na woman, una know say we women we no get power. Na small thing you go knack am, just na go just fall, go dey ground, So they will just, oya, give me your name, give me your document. Una just write am. If na how much dem go pay, you understand, something like that. Na good pass than to dey beat a person. So me, I put this video, more than see the video. The girl was there, a poster was there, a human rights person also was there, because everybody see that video where it go viral. So as I see, I need to bring am come. For those of una where be say una first see the old one, una still see where it be say Ebo Stone say everything will be resolved, the medicine and everything, So the people where you do and then go try to find them out. So that is that, my people. Thank you for watching. Please help me to love and like and share this video. God bless you as you do. Bye for now.
Yeah, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kelly Okumboa, popularly called Capacity Ebo Stone. By the grace of God, I'm the state coordinator, PSRO team, Public Safety Response Team. And my attention was drawn to one video that is circulating on social media about a young lady that was beaten up by my workers. And when I was told, I quickly do everything possible to reach out to some persons who has also called me about the incident, that they know my antecedent, they know what I'm capable of, that they've not seen me in this kind of art before. And when they called me and I said, no problem. Truly, I went to some social media handle and I saw the video, which I felt bad. First and foremost, I want to appeal to the general public that it is not our way of doing things. It is unfortunately that such incident happened. And I want to use this medium to appeal to everybody who stood up for this girl to make sure she got justice. Although the investigation is ongoing to see the people that did this act. You know, this exercise that we are into is not just the PRO team all alone. We have other sister agencies who has been assisting us to see how we can do what is right. So when I reached out to her and we were able to, you know, to call her with some of our family members who they came with. Actually, I was on my way to Okpebholo when I got the call. So I have to revise my vehicle and the people that was going along with me. And we came to see how we can reach out to this our sister here. And by the grace of God, we've done our investigation and we will make sure she got justice to see that this one will serve as a deterrent to other workers so that they will understand the role they're supposed to play. They are not there to intimidate anybody. What the state government have asked us to do is for us to clear the streets of the sex workers and the drug traffickers because they are not giving us good name. All over the world, drug trafficking is a bad business. Even the sex workers, we are not against them. We are against the attitude they are doing in the streets of Benin and Edo State. That is what we are doing. So we want to use this medium to appeal to everybody who have posted this video this morning to say, you have done well. You have done well by posting it, by seeking for justice for her. But we want to reassure you people that we will not relent. We will make sure we find out and we will deal with the people that are involved in the issue. But for the now, our sister, she's here. She can also speak to the camera and to also send message to Edo people all over the world. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Faith, popularly known as in TikTok as CY Pounds. I don't come here, make them settle the matter. So they don't already tell me, say, I forget the matter. So I want to make this matter die for social media. They don't already they fight justice for me. So they say they go bring everybody, the people where where the thing happens, so they go bring everybody come outside. So I beg, make the matter just die like this. Thank you. And they have already paid for my treatment, the treatment I take, everything. So they have already taken care of everything about that. So I really appreciate for them to come for my rescue. Thank you for the government. Thank you for everybody that supported me. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you. Thank you, Nigerians.
Yeah, my name is Leptiso Sazadigi, and I'm a human rights activist. When I came across this video, I was worried, and we needed to reach out to the agency of government that did the stuff. And when we came, we now saw that the boss wasn't happy with what has been done, and he has also set up a small team to investigate the issue. So we waited in to see how the matter can be resolved. But we're happy and glad that the boss of this agency has taken steps to ensure that this girl gets remedy for what has been done to her, and those officials that carry out that act are dealt with accordingly. And this is all we needed to achieve, and we're happy. The young lady is already happy, and we have resolved this whole issue amicably. And by God's grace, the agency will be able to take up our expenses. I think that is what we need to move Edo forward. We don't need to overflow certain issues. When issues happen like this, we come and see how we can resolve it. And I think if everybody is happy, good to good. And we also want to also use this media to talk to whoever is carrying out enforcement work in Edo State to put civility and human face as we go out to enforce what government has asked you to do, so that the rights of every Edo man or woman cannot be infringed upon. And if we have a boss that frowned at human rights abuse the way he has frowned at this, I think Edo is moving forward. Thank you.
My name is Comrade Bevi Efe. I saw this disturbing video on the internet, and the first thing I did was to reach out to the boss of the team. And when he heard it, he wasn't too happy. And he told me that he's going to find out whosoever that is involved and bring them to book. Not too quite long, he reached out to me again and said that he has reached out to the girl and he has asked the girl to come to his office. So we have been here to see how we can resolve the issues, and by the grace of God, the girl has gotten justice. There's a panel of inquiry which he has promised to set immediately to see how those elements can be unraveled, because the human rights in those states is to be protected and is to be served properly. And as we speak, he has also see how he can pay for his hospital bills and some other things. So we are using this medium to also tell other workers, whoever is working for government, that human rights is to be protected, human rights is to be honored. You understand? You can do your work without violating any right of every citizen. Every citizen have rights of association. They have right to whatsoever the constitution have given them to do. So please, we don't want to hear such issues again. And if the boss here, Capacity Postone, is a man that respects the rights of every citizen, every other of his worker